Hey everybody, welcome to our first video for Unit 1. And today we're going to be talking about just the beginning of the assignments that we have for Unit 1. And so I just want to remind you of our goal for this chapter. Our goal for this chapter is for you to be able to balance a simple chemical equation. So in chemistry in real life, we have things like sodium. That's a metal, a very soft metal, a very shiny metal. And we've got a chlorine gas. And when those two things combine, we get salt. This is a image that shows that same chemical reaction. But we want to be able to show that chemical reaction and model it with letters and numbers in abbreviations that we call formulas. And so that's our main goal for the whole chapter. And all of the individual videos that I'll be making for you to learn from for this unit will lead us to that particular standard. We want everybody to be able to balance a simple chemical equation. So let's get started. If you don't already have a periodic table, you can always search one out on the internet and just have it open in a tab, but you're certainly welcome to use a hard copy as well. It's just as easy. We'll be referring back to this one quite a bit throughout the unit. And just to get you started on understanding, if you don't already know how to understand the periodic table, a couple of hints. So every single box on the periodic table has these particular boxes, and there's always a whole number that represents the atomic number, and that tells us the protons that are in the nucleus. You can see that represented down here by red balls with a P on them. And then there's a decimal number as well. And we'll almost always be rounding that to the nearest whole number. So in this case, it would be 12. And that's called the atomic mass. The atomic mass tells us the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. And then, of course, every element has a symbol that represents it so that we do not have to write out the whole word, sorry, every time. So we want to get started on learning about protons. So that will be our first lesson, and I'll go through the directions for protons with you and show you how to do these particular problems if you'd like some extra help. If you'd like to just read the directions yourself and fill the practice worksheet out on your own, you're certainly welcome to do that. But if you need extra help, you can do it with me and the videos. So again, just as a reminder, I'm going to go through these directions and then think out loud while I'm reading them to help you understand the directions better. So if you would like to listen to the next video to have some support on how to do these problems, go ahead and open the next video.